Hey friends, it's Samantha from Too Cute Too Crazy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this beautiful window film. It was a very simple and easy project to complete. I love the rainbow effect that it casts on the floor and throughout the room, and at the right time of day, it will cast a rainbow onto the walls into our living room as well. So it's just a very, very beautiful product and very easy to install. The product comes in a roll like this one. So the window in my daughter's room faces the street and doesn't provide a whole lot of privacy for her. I wanted something that would block some of the heat from the sun, but still let plenty of light in and be a beautiful addition to the new room. So the first thing I did was remove the blinds so I could have easier access to the windows. And now I'm washing the window frame and all the pieces of the window to make sure there's no dust that could get between the film and the glass. Brianna joins in to help me clean the windows. We're just wiping the windows down with Windex and a paper towel to make sure that there's nothing on the window and that it's super clean. Now I'm measuring the windows and allowing an inch on each side so that the windows film will overlap over the actual size of the window. And I just laid the film on the floor using a straight edge, measured again, and traced the lines with an expo marker so I could easily erase it off as needed. I just made sure I measured several times down the length of the window film to make sure it was straight. I made 4 separate cuts, one for each window pane, and I still had plenty of the film left over. And this is just a solution of soapy water that I'm spraying on the window. It will help get all of the air bubbles out. This film is non-adhesive, so there's no glue. You can just take it off whenever you're ready, and there will be no residue. The soapy water just helps get all of the bubbles out. I'm taking a small squeegee and smoothing all of the bubbles out. You can also use a credit card for this if you don't have a squeegee on hand. Now that all of the air bubbles are out, it's time to start trimming the edges. This is why we left an inch on each edge so that it would match up exactly with the edge of the window pane. If you didn't leave an inch on each side and measured it exactly to the window pane size, you would end up with some gaps between the film and the window.
Together, we're like the fountain of youth. I can hear
the backing is very difficult to remove from the film. One thing you can do is put a piece of Scotch tape on each outer side of the film and the backing, and that will give you some more leverage to separate the pieces. Once I got the first window pane done, the next three went pretty quickly. Here is the finished product. I love this window film, how it has the stained glass effect. This is as the sun is going down, and you can see it shining straight through the window film and making a rainbow pattern on the floor and the bedding. This is Brianna's new room. She just moved out of sharing a room with her sister. We will eventually have a video up showing that transformation, but I'm very proud of the window film. The flooring in here is new as well. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and DIYs. Thanks for watching.